All right, for the bouncy ball animation using Adobe Animate, two different pieces that you're turning in for the assignment that I am going to cover. The first is a screenshot. So whether you use the snipping tool or another method, you are going to be doing a screenshot, and that screen should just be your entire screen, everything you see right here. Okay, super important because I'm looking here to see which way you went about the animation. There's different ways to do it, but there's a specific reason that the video instructs you to do it in this manner and that I would like you to learn that manner. So I'm looking at your frames, and this is going to get copy and pasted to these slides. The second piece is the animation itself. You are going to do a file export video/media. So where your format is going to be the H.264, where it's asking for your output, it's important that you know where you're saving it. You're going to hit the little browse folder because you want to give it a good name. So bouncing ball Martin. Save. Export. So it's exporting. It sometimes pops up to tells me it's done. I feel like it doesn't always do that. Then back here on the slide, you are going to do insert video. Oh, we're going to have to put it in our Google Drive first. Mrs. Martin likes to skip steps. Google Drive, new, file upload. Make sure you know where you saved the item. Bouncing ball, that's not the bouncing ball Martin though. Maybe I saved it somewhere else. This is my other one. Open. So this is uploading. The upload is complete. Now I can do an insert, video, Google Drive, bouncing ball, and that's what I would select to insert. So the screenshot's on slide 1, the animation itself or the video is slide 2. Questions on turning that assignment in? All right, sounds good. Get to work.